For years, I've been driving down the street and always wondered what lay beyond the gate here. I am so excited to be presenting a home that is a true generational home, the likes of which I haven't seen since I've been in real estate.
These homes built around the last century, this Queen Anne colonial style, has beautiful rooms in it. The addition that's been done out the back by architect Marcus Collins has really brought this home into the modern era, making it perfect for families in Swanbourne.
This home offers everything you could desire. There are extensive gardens, there's a north-facing backyard, a pool, outdoor entertaining areas. This is the type of home where you will have entertaining, fun times for many, many years.
The current owners are a Scottish family that have travelled extensively internationally, and when they come home to 11 Wood Street in Swanbourne, it is such a private haven with wonderful rooms that open out to the garden on 1,290 square metres of land. It's quite an extraordinary home.
This is a substantial yet private residence located so close to the Swanbourne village, the train, numerous schools, the local primary school, private schools. This is a family haven that you will absolutely love.
And we welcome you and your inspection with your family at 11 Wood Street in Swanbourne as soon as you can make it. So contact Kate or myself.